Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the magic ring. The magic ring, it's used to make amigurumi toys, to make granny squares, doilies, hexagons, rugs and anything that it's working around. It is a better technique than making chains because you can adjust and close shut by pulling the yarn, and that way you won't have a gap in the middle of your work. So let's get started. Pick up your yarn, hold the end with your thumb between your two fingers, and then make a loop, cross, and bring it back down. And as you turn your fingers, you can see you have two parallel yarns. Insert your hook under the first and pull the second underneath and then twist. So you're pulling and twisting. Make sure the loop is loose. Then insert your hook underneath the same string, yarn over and pull through that loop. And there you are. It's that easy. And now tighten it a little bit, and this is your magic ring or magic circle, and you can see you then can adjust how tight it is. So let's make some single crochet stitches inside the magic ring. You insert your hook inside the ring, pull up a loop and make your single crochet stitch. And again, inside the ring, pull up a loop and pull through. So this is how I start my granny squares, my amigurumi toys, and anything that it's crocheted in around. All right. So once you have the amount of stitches required inside the ring, to tighten it, just pull up the string and close it. Just pull it shut. And you can see there is absolutely no space, no gap in the middle. And this is it. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to this channel for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!